Hi, I'm Haren from Tanya and Tamara. You are currently looking at a microwave chamber. If you would look closely, there is all these spots what you see are food remains. So basically, my advice for you today is when you're putting something, when you want to heat up something in the microwave, make sure you close it. If you have a close look at the top side of it, you'll see a lot of food stains. My advice for you is cover up the food so the food will not sparkle up, or there wouldn't be small internal bursts for the food to splash inside. So these are one of the tips to expand the lifespan of your microwave. Now if you look closely on the next one, right above, we've done a little cleanup. Just a basic cleanup, but there are some stains which cannot be removed on the stainless steel chamber. But this is how it should look like. Alright, hope you guys have a good one. Take care till then. Bye.